What's going on, guys? Today we're going to install this TYKOOL lithium-ion battery. It's an upgraded battery for the RZR 200 behind us. But, you know, it's not my machine. I barely even fit in the damn thing. All I did was pay for it. If they want to ride it, if they want to upgrade it, it's up to them. So my 10-year-old daughter, Evelina, and my 3-year-old son, Adrian, are going to slap this battery into their RZR so that they can do some more upgrades down the road. Stay tuned, and we'll see how they do.
I'm Evelina from Junkie Jr, and this is my sidekick AJ. And today we're going to replace the battery of my RZR 200. Let's get started. The batteries are under the driver's seat and we need to remove it. That's the first step. So AJ, can you go get the battery?
Yeah.
This is a TYKOOL Lithium-ion battery. Let's go get the socket wrench and the 10mm socket. Be right here. All right, these are the two bolts that I'm going to need to remove. Let's need an extension for this, and my daddy's going to get it for me.
Press the button when you insert, yeah. Ooh, that's in there, good.
I need daddy's help to get started.
Yeah, these are tight. Real tight. I wonder who tightened these. We'll use this bigger ratchet to get them started.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
All right, we got that one off.
It's part of wrenching on stuff, Evelina. It's not always easy to get to places. It's easier for you because you're small, but I got longer arms. Yep, good. Keep going.
Oh, yay! Now we should be able to...
Get the seat out?
Yep.
Okay. You want me to do that part?
Sure.
There we go. Now you gotta find the battery, okay?
All right. I think it's in here.
You got it. Yep, the battery's in there. You gotta take those terminals off. Those are called terminals. There's a red one that's positive.
Yep.
And there's a black one that's negative. Can you see the positive and the negative sign next to them?
Yep. My sidekick's gonna help now.
Okay, on here.
That is
ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now use your fingers and unscrew it. Good job, dude. Got it? You want to do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now use your fingers. Oh, it's messy in there. Look at all that stuff in there. We should vacuum that out before we put the new battery in.
Yep. So that's done. Now we need to vacuum it up. Riding is always messy. Let's unbox the battery.
Is it heavy?
No, not really.
It's got a built-in BMS, which is a battery monitoring system. It's common on lithium ions. That's what that is here. It's a much more advanced battery than what we're pulling out. The battery that comes in this stock is just a regular lead acid battery. This is definitely an upgrade, and like I can't believe how light this thing is. Like it's crazy. They're gonna be surprised, the kids, when they see the difference in weight, even though this one's a little bigger. And that's a big benefit to lithium ion. I mean, on this application, it doesn't matter. Maybe if you got a race motorcycle or something like that, every gram counts. But you mean, it is easier to handle, especially for the little ones, and it should give us a bit more cold cranking amps. Not that we really need that. More or less, it's gonna give us more stable voltage if we wanna put some rock lights or LED whips on this thing, because Evelina was saying she wants some cool lighting. So this will help us be able to run that, because the charging systems on these RZR 200s suck. And they have such a little battery that you're very limited with what you can do. So hopefully this just helps a little bit.
Turn it on. Pull it out. It's sticking. I think I need Daddy's help.
Yeah, it's in there good. Here, hold that.
Oh my God, it's heavy.
Yeah, that's full of lead.
It's bigger. Oh my God.
Let's watch AJ do it. Ready? Here, AJ, hold on. Don't put it in yet. Now tell me which one's heavier, okay? Hold this one now.
This one's heavy. This one's not heavy.
Vacuum the rest of that, Evelina.
All right. AJ, turn it on.
Shove that in there, like move it around.
That's finished. Let's put the new battery in. Nope, wrong way.
Other way, dude.
Other way.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's take these covers off. I'll take the negative off. All right. Okay. Okay, now put it in. Righty
Yeah, like
tighty.
that. Good job, bud.
Keep going until you can't do it anymore.
Good.
All right.
Let's do the next one, okay? This battery's nice. It's got the threads built into the post.
All right, let's do this. Yes.
Okay, can I check?
Yeah.
Okay, now there should be a strap that goes over the battery here, but it looks to be missing. But we need to mount it. The other battery was being held in by mud.
Now let's do this. Now, let's put the cover on
Okay,
the
AJ, put the
battery.
cover on. Good job. What's next?
Let's put the seat on.
Why don't we see if it starts?
Okay.
Start it, AJ. It works. Okay, good. Now we can put the seat in, right?
Yep. Let's go ride it.
You gotta test ride it?
Yeah.
Okay, are those holes lined up?
Yep.
Okay. So
No, that's not that.
good job. You think they're good?
Maybe this one is a little bit loose.
Oh, that's pretty good. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, well done. Good job, Evelina. High five. You changed the battery basically on your own. You should thank AJ for his help, though.
Yeah. Thank you, AJ. High five.
Well, look.
If you want more fun, education-filled videos, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Our next videos will be replacing the chain on the RZR 200 and replacing the sprocket so the RZR 200 can go up hills better. See you next video. Bye.